and when the buried soul is asked for what sin she was slain. Many scholars say this verse will echo again on the Day of Judgment, when the oppressed and the forgotten will speak, and among them the first voice to rise will be Fatima al-Zahra, demanding justice for her rights and the rights of her husband.
She is the purified one of Ayah al-Takwir, the giver of Surah Al-Insan, the abundance of al-Kawthar, the beloved of Ayah al-Maw'ūdah, the light of Surah Al-Nur, and the voice of truth in Surah At-Takwir. Her name may not be written, but her presence flows through the Qur'an like divine fragrance, guiding every heart that seeks light, mercy, and truth. Lady Fatima, the Qur'an's silent verse, the eternal light of Islam.